If you ever work with AI APIs, you probably run into the same problem I have. Another model is available through OpenAI, another is hosted by Anthropic, and another by Google, another by Meta. And before long, you're juggling different API keys, different documentation, different pricing, and completely different integration. It gets massive fast. And then there's OpenRouter comes in. Instead of integrating every AI provider separately, OpenRouter gives you one undefined API that connect you to hundreds of the world's most popular languages models through a single interface. Whether you're building an application, automation, chatbot, coding assistant, or simply experimenting with the latest models, OpenRouter makes the entire process significantly easier. Now let's take a look at how it works. Right from the homepage, you can see the main idea behind this project. OpenRouter provides access to more than 400 AI models, over 70 providers, all through one API. That means you don't need separate integration to OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Meta, Mistral, DeepSeek, and many others. Everything is available from one dashboard. One thing I really like is that OpenRouter is fully compatible with an OpenAI API format, and if you already build application using OpenAI SDK, in many cases you can switch to OpenRouter with a few configuration changes instead of rewriting your entire application. And that makes migrating existing project much faster and much less painful. If you scroll down, you'll notice the huge selection of supported models. Whether you're looking for the latest GPT models, Claude, Gemini, Llama, DeepSeek, or many other open and commercial models, everything is organized in one place. Instead of signing up for multiple services, managing different billing systems, and learning different APIs, you simply choose the model you want and start making requests. And another feature that stands out is provider routing. The same AI model is often available from multiple infrastructure providers, and OpenRouter automatically helps improve reliability by routing requests through available providers. And if one provider experiences downtime or heavy traffic, your application has a much better chance of continuing to work without interruption. And that's especially valuable if you're building production application where uptime really means. Pricing is another reason many developers use this project. Instead of committing to subscription for multiple AI platforms, you simply purchase credit and use them across models you need. Since different models have different costs, you can easily choose the right balance between performance and price depending on your project. Now, let's take a look how easy it is to get started. First, create a free account, and after signing up, you can purchase credit that will be used across every supported model on the platform, and next generate your API key. Once you have the key, you're ready to start building, and because OpenRouter followed the OpenAI API standard, integrating it many existing applications is surprisingly straightforward. For developers, this flexibility is incredibly useful. So guys, imagine building AI writing assistant. During testing, you might compare GPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek to see which model produces the best results. If you explore the models page, you'll notice that OpenRouter also provides useful information like pricing, supported context videos, capabilities, and popularity. And this makes it much easier to compare models before deciding which one fits your specific use case. So overall, what impressed me most is how OpenRouter simplify working with AI models instead of thinking about individual providers. Different APIs, separate billing system, and multiple dashboards so you can focus on building your application. If you like to try OpenRouter yourself, all important links will be provided down below, so make sure to check them out. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.